Hi guys, and welcome to the juice.co.za. I'm Carl with another awesome gadget for us to look at this week. Today's awesome gadget is the Sony Smartwatch 3. This isn't the first time that Sony's developed a smartwatch, but it is the first time that Sony's going with the standard Android Wear operating system, which means that you're no longer tied to Sony and their ecosystem, and you're now able to get more watch faces and also a lot more Android smartwatch built applications. What's really cool about the smartwatch is, or this one in particular, is that it has a square face, which is interesting, especially since a lot of Android smartwatches have been going with the rounder feel of late, which is more closer to the original look of a watch. Sony believes that if in using the square face, they're able to read notifications better. And that's really handy because the smartwatch, as anyone who's used one will attest, is a notification center basically, which means that you can do a lot of the things that you'd be able to do on your phone on your watch. So it'll count your steps, you can record memos, you can even reply to messages, which is pretty handy. It also sends information as you need it, which is something that's a big sell point for Android. What makes this smartwatch in particular very, very special is that it has built-in GPS, which means that you can leave your phone behind and you're able to still be able to access GPS settings or GPS functions. Another really interesting thing, but it might not be applicable right now or very useful, is that it has NFC, which allows you in the future to be able to make mobile payments using just your watch. What we also really like about the Sony smartwatch is that it has detachable back, which makes it really easy for cleaning and also for charging. Sony's done a really great job of being able to use the micro USB charging system, which means that anytime that you want to charge your phone, and most phones use this standard, you're able to charge your watch. You don't need to use any special mats or any special technology in order to use your watch. Another cool thing about it is that, and this is something that is ahead of a lot of its competitors with, is that it has a 2 to 3 day battery life, which means that you're able to wear it and be able to use it for at least 2 to 3 days. You don't have to put it off at night or put it on charge, which is pretty handy. Another really cool thing about it is that it's waterproof and dust resistant, which is something that we've kind of expected from Sony, so we're really happy to see that it's made the transition to smartwatch. It is a little bit pricey when it comes down to it, but it's not more expensive than any of the other smartwatches, including the round Android ones. So I think it's definitely worth investing in if you're looking for something that has that. Yeah, in terms of how it looks against its competitors, if you're into the whole square face and you don't really want to wait until Apple releases their iWatch, this is a really good and solid investment. The NFC and also the GPS means that it is future-proof, and the screens are really good as well. It also has very good voice recognition, so you could do a lot worse than this smartwatch. In actual fact, if you're looking in the near future of getting a smartwatch, we suggest that you start looking at the Sony Smartwatch 3. That's it for this week. If you have any other thoughts on these, feel free to comment, but otherwise read our review on the smartwatch on the site, and also just keep it locked on the juice.co.za for some more gadget reviews in the coming weeks.